Hi mga kumarites, it's day 9. Today we're going to Batangas and meet the Vice Mayor and do whatever. We're just gonna have fun. Last night we didn't get to send Aaron to his dad. So today we're gonna try again. We're gonna meet him in Batangas. See you then!
So ngayon, bibigyan daw po kayo later ng 5 na tao. I-assess na bibigyan. Kasi sobrang dami ng tao. Parang hindi mo ma-accommodate if lahat. So i-filter din nila yung tao para okay. Tapos, hindi ko sure if matutuloy pero parang gusto nilang makipag-pista din. May gusto daw nila. Pero check pa yung weather kasi baka mamaya sobrang init na. Gano'n. Tapos i-assess ka naman daw kung ano yung mga usual na ginagawa.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Nagising ako bigla.
Sabi mo, I'm single.
Ano ba ang iyong gusto?
Ay!
Anong gusto mo characteristics?
Ako kahit ano basta malaki. Wow!
Ano nga yun, every day pala pupunta yun sa mga sa mga burol. Pinagsabihin kahapon ng asawa niya. Sabi niya, bukas huwag ka pupunta, mamaya papuntahin mo pa si Miss Grace sa burol. Pwede! Filipino way.
Aaron, no, don't do that. Sorry.
She's staring me.
Oh no, she's not.
She said hi.
Aaron, she's a fan.
She said hi.
She saw you on TV. That's why.
Okay, sorry.
Hi mga kumarites, we just got done eating breakfast with Andy and the crew. So now we are on our way to Batangas to go see the Vice Mayor.
And are you ready for your next challenge?
Oh.
You're gonna be a secretary for a
Yeah.
model.
So I'm supposed to be a secretary for the Vice Mayor today. So we'll see how it goes. Nasaan tayo? Ano ang pangalan nito, ate?
Sabi niya Panluson po. City Government of Tanawan.
Oh, nandito kami sa City Government of Panawan, Tanawan, Batangas. Meet natin si Vice Mayor.
Then after po nun, 3 to 4 shots, okay na po. Tapos after po nun, pag nakausap na po na yung bisita niya, then next bisita na po tayo.
Ano ito, Grace?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Vice.
Introduce po kayo ni Vice. So, sabihin po doon ni Vice na, guys, I'd like you to meet my new secretary, si Miss Grace. Tapos yun, si Kakumarites. So, lalabas po kayo dyan. And then yun na, magkakamustahan po muna kayo. Just a short kamustahan. Then after that is a Q&A.
Let's welcome Miss Grace, ang Kumarites ng Bayan.
Ayan mga kumarites, katatapos lang namin mag-vlog yung secretary for the day with Vice Mayor. Abangan nyo ho. And also, we made a vlog with Vice Mayor. It's their own content, so abangan nyo ho yan. And also, right now we're having lunch because it's lunchtime. Everyone's tired, everyone's hungry. And then we're gonna see if, oh yeah, I'm gonna go around with them. It's like parang fiesta. Yeah, it's like fiesta. It's just, I think, just one city. So we're gonna go around with the Vice Mayor. So abangan nyo ho yan. Hi mga kumarites, nandito ho kami sa fiesta in Tanawan, Batangas. And just to give you guys an update, unfortunately, we didn't get to hand over Aaron to his dad. So ayun, this is my first fiesta in the Philippines. I think I don't remember being in a fiesta when I was young, but this is the first fiesta I've been for a while. So we'll see how it is. And kasama ko ho si Vice Mayor Trinidad. We'll see you guys later.
Kain tayo ulit.
Okay.
Let's eat. Yeah.
Thank you.
Great.
Hello. Saan si Aaron? Nandiyan si Aaron? Oh, dito? Okay. Oh, nandiyan siya.
This one is the usual handa, menudo. And of course, this is caldereta. And this one, this one is, of course, parang Bicol Express. This is eggplant.
So each house may ganito?
Yung lahat. And nasama, you will be surprised to see, ang handa nila.
Pareho.
Pare-pareho.
Anong city ito? Still Tanawan?
Tanawan.
Okay.
Ano kinuha mo ate?
Hindi ko alam. Ano ito? Oh, banana something. Okay. Basta dessert masarap. Ito, banana something. Banana with bilo-bilo. Oh, yeah.
Please.
Oo, salamat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Salamat.
See you soon. Uli, ha?
Yes, thank you. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Watch out for the vlog, ha? Yeah,
Thank you.
salamat.
Ingat.
Salamat.
Thank you very much po ha.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting us.
After yun nating ma-meet yung Vice Mayor, and then mamiesta, ano yung experience mo nung?
Okay naman kasi akala ko ang fiesta doon, yung you're in one place, tapos nandoon yung mga tao. Yun pala, house to house.
You have
Yeah.
to come to, house.
Oo.
Bawat bahay, tapos kakain ka yung fiesta dito.
Tapos sabi pa ni Vice Mayor, everyone has their own, the same food.
So since mainit ngayon naman, magpalamig tayo. Since nandito tayo nandito sa Tanawan, so puntahan natin yung Insan's Cafe. Ito, i-try natin kung gaano kasarap yung mga pagkain dito.
Anong in-order mo?
Ice caramel macchiato.
Oh, social.
How about you?
I ordered ube frap. Tara na mga kumarites, let's try it.
Hi guys!
Maybe he did something.
Nakasama, 1, 2. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi mga kumarites. So today we're going to try Insan's onion rings.
I'm gonna try this one also.
And onion.
I love the onion rings.
Oh, really? I can't eat those kasi it's spicy. Masarap. This is the ube frap of Insan's.
Then the buffalo wings.
Ikaw na.
You'll be the first
Gano'n
to
ko
taste.
One natin.
Cheese yan. Cheese ba yan? Or ano? Guess the flavor challenge. Sarap.
Uy, hindi kinakain yung buto.
Di ba? Right. Sobrang sarap. Munti ko na makain yung buto. Titikman at babalikan. Grabe ang lambot. Thank you so much, Wendell. Very,
Helpful?
grabe. Nalalasahan.
Kuya Andy, what can you say to the world?
Peace. World peace.
Hi, thank you.
Ito nga, nagulat ako. Sabi kasi ni, ano yung pangalan ni ate?
Faith po.
Sabi ni Faith, regular lang daw to. Akala ko overload ang dami. Punong-puno.
Toyo. Marami na ako nun eh, pero Mike, iba yung lomi pag walang toyo.
Okay mga kumarites, this is my second time to taste Batangas lomi. Okay, let's see if this is better than the other one. Well, this one's warm. The other one was cold. This one has a different taste. Yung isa plain. This one has more flavor.
Pwede ba malaman yung history ng lomi?
Noon daw panahon ng mga Patawagan natin si Grace, kwento pangalan ako ng story. Noong panahon ng mga
Because I know you don't know, you're just saying that.
Ba't mo naman ako binubuko? Naka-camera tayo. Ano daw yan kasi? Nagsimula daw yan sa isang parang panahon ng mga Kastila.
Really?
Oo. Kasi sa sobrang hospitable ng mga Pilipino, especially sa Batangas, na-discover nila yan. May touch ng Spanish, Chinese, and Mexican.
Oh, really?
Chinese because of the noodles.
Yeah.
Spanish because of the Shanghai spices, mga ganon. Tapos may Shanghai pa, may chicken skin. And yung mga Mexican mahilig sila maglagay ng egg sa mga food nila. Galing na. So bahala kayo kung maniniwala kayo. At the end of the day, masarap pa rin talaga yung Lomi dito sa Insan's. Kaya guys, try nyo na. 85 pesos lang. Can you say anything?
No.
This is not my vlog.
I know, I'm just tired. You took over. Okay mga kumartes, katatapos lang namin kumain. We ate the lomi and yung mga buffalo wings and onion rings, potato chips. So if you guys want to come here, it's here in Tanawan. It's called Insan Cafe. And I just want to thank Micah for inviting us and, you know, letting us enjoy the food. So see you guys on day 10. Bye mga kumarites!